Hello everyone, welcome back to A Square Solutions. My name is Anis and today I'm going to show you exactly how I built my real business website asquaresolution.com using WordPress and Elementor. This is not a demo website, this is my live business platform. Here I publish blogs, connect to YouTube content, manage SEO, handle client inquiries, and build digital projects. So today's video is a real world walkthrough, not theory. I will cover hosting and domain, WordPress dashboard, Elementor design, blogging system, SEO setup, performance, and some real talk about making money online. If you are a student, freelancer, or thinking about starting something online, stay till the end. And if you enjoy content about AI, science, history, and digital marketing, don't forget to subscribe. Let's begin. Now, right now on your screen, you are seeing my homepage. This is asquaresolution.com. You will find home. This is the home page. And here is the blog page. Here is the categories. This one is the case studies page. And this is the services, what we do pages. And this one is the contact page. Everything here is powered by WordPress and Elementor. I don't come from a hardcore coding background. Everything you see here was built using visual tools and learning step by step. Let me say something important. In today's world, the biggest skill is not coding, it's knowing how to use tools. If you know WordPress, Elementor, AI tools, and SEO, you already have business skills. Most people consume content, a few people build systems. That's where income comes from. So before going technical, let's understand basics using real world examples. So the first one is the domain. Think of domain like your shop name. If you open a physical store, the first thing is the name board. Online, the name board is your domain. My domain is asquaresolution.com. Without domain, people cannot find you. Domain is your digital address. And the next one is the hosting. Now imagine you have a shop name. Where will your shop exist? You need a building. That building could be a small shop or a mall or an office. Online, that building is hosting. Hosting stores your website, like hosting stores your website files, images, blogs, and database. So domain is your shop name, hosting is your shop building. Without hosting, your website has nowhere to live. I personally use Hostinger. Why? Because it's affordable, fast server, easy WordPress install, beginner friendly. So I have placed my Hostinger referral link in the description. Using it gives you extra discount if you are looking for hosting. So buy domain, choose hosting, install WordPress in one click. No technical headache. Now important, on this channel, I already made a video, build a website in 5 minutes with AI hosting tutorial. In that video, I show Hostinger AI builder that's fast setup. Today we are doing professional manual setup using WordPress and Elementor. Two method, same goal, website ownership. Now inside WordPress dashboard, here you can control posts, pages, media, plugins, and settings. So currently my site has hundred of more than 500 blog posts, and I organize content using categories such as you can see artificial intelligence, you can see business and economy, digital marketing, global affairs and news. So these matches my YouTube playlist. So blog and YouTube grow together. This is content ecosystem, not random posting. If you are a beginner, I already have a full tutorial. I built a blog website in 2025 with WordPress and Elementor. That video shows how to create, brand new WordPress website step by step. And today we are reviewing a live production website. So here you can see the pages. In the pages we have sections about us, blog, case studies, context, which I have showed you here. You can see. And in the posts, these posts are blog articles. Think of posts like products on shelves. You keep adding new products, old ones go down. Media is images and videos, like banners and product photos in store. Good visuals build trust, heavy visuals slow site, always optimize. Plugins are tools like billing machine, CCTV, AC in physical shop. It's like tools. Plugins are tools. So in WordPress, there are lots of plugins like for SEO plugins. There are different types of plugins for SEO, security plugins, forms plugins, cache plugins, but don't overload. Too many plugins, slow website. And settings are your shop rules, like you get here permalinks, users, general info, control how your site behaves. Now let's go to the Elementor. Let's open uh, now Elementor. Elementor is a visual design drag section. This is the drag section. Drop widget, like if you want to drop heading, and you can text edit. There are buttons also, images. You can select any widget from here and drag it here, like button, like images. No coding. You also check the desktop view, the mobile view. Like, let's take an example of one of our posts, one of our blog. This is the tablet view, this is the phone view, and this one is the desktop view. And this home page was not perfect on day one. I redesigned multiple times. Design evolves. These same elementary skills can be used for client website, freelancing, landing pages, agency work. This is not just a website builder. This is a career skill. And blogging is long-term game. Google takes time, but once traffic comes, it becomes passive. I use categories, interlinking, SEO optimization. Like, let me show you. So here you can see the categories and the interlinking. Interlinking, here you can see this is the interlink, this is the external link. So the SEO optimization I use in my documentaries connect with blog post. My AI videos connect with AI blogs. Everything supports everything. This is digital ecosystem. Now SEO. So SEO, the focus keywords, main topic of page, like product name, one page, one focus keywords, meta title, Google headline, like this is the meta title, and this is like Google headline, like newspaper title, must be clear and clickable. Meta description, small explanation on the title, like product description, convince people to click. The sitemap, Sitemap, the map of website like mall directory, tells Google all pages, posts, blogs. Schema. The schema. The schema is a content ID card, like in the structured way. Tells Google's this is article, this is author, this is date, helps rich results. SEO is not magic, it's discipline like gym. Speed matters. Okay. Hostingers, hostinger servers, optimized images, caching, perfect score not needed. Usable experience matters. Real talks. Real talk like online income needs skills, patience, consistency, small investment, no shortcut, but huge opportunity. If you know website building, AI tools, SEO, you are employable. Freelance ready, business ready. Most people wait for motivation, builders create momentum. So, this way was my real walkthrough how I built A Square solutions using WordPress and Elementor. So, if you want to start hosting link in description. WordPress is free, Elementor is free, and also check build a blog website with WordPress and Elementor and build a website in 5 minutes with AI. A link in description. Explore the playlist digital marketing and AI tutorials, science frontiers, history and culture. And if this helped you, like this video, subscribe the channel, and share this video and share the channel. I'm Anis from A Square Solutions. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep burning.